throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. Hop in her, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
This is the start of the NEGRIL vlog. Welcome, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please go ahead to like, share, and subscribe. I did well with this face today. I love my face. I won't lie. It's busting. It's giving. It's all dolled up. I am all dolled up. Like the face I give. I'm not like. Cause actually we are running it. We decided so we have a left face reach at watch it for 10 o'clock. It's currently 2:01. Can't help with that. Carly baby's in his car. Gonna park it and then he's gonna take over in this car, in my car. Yeah, my car I go. Because I know the moms, them gas efficient. I them call the under 50 people them in Jamaica and the moms them, but we can't drive. Let them say the under 50 them can't drive. What a set of outsider people them. Outsider people them. So yeah. So currently right now I'm gonna go to the gas station first, fill the tank. People, the face is giving. I go fill the tank and then that's about it. So when babe take over, gas full and so forth, we'll come back to yeah, you have to fill the tank. It's NEGRIL people. I'm gonna pass St. and a boy journey that. So yeah, that's what's up. Alright. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright, bye. The tank is on full. So that was 6,100 full my tank with I think I had about 4 strokes, but one of the strokes them never full. So that's why. But if the gas was cheaper, it would be like 5,000 and change. So yeah, with 3 strokes. So that's the update for right now. Alright guys, I'm gonna meet babe right now. Guys, we stopped in Montego Bay with a Fairview Mall. We had stopped at the supermarket and grabbed something. So now we're leaving. Hungry, bad. Alright guys, so it's like about after 4. Yes, we are waiting on time. However, 134 nights. That's about it. So we just want to nights to see where we're there and whatever. Yeah, but we can't take Jamaica on their road. Like honestly, we not gonna island talk. Jamaica on the road. Yeah, Jamaica on the road. Jamaica have to deal with everything, everybody. We can't deal with the politician them who won't fix the road. If you ask me, Jamaica road bad. If you're there friend and you wonder what Jamaica, first and foremost, I'll tell you Jamaica road bad. And the road is very bad. You don't never know see them on main road. You have to pay for use good road in Jamaica. It's so annoying. We're on our way to NEGRIL and the road is so bad. From Mobile to NEGRIL, the road bad. You have to skip all and all of them dilly-dally foolishness there. So annoying, man. Really annoying. But we still are traveling at hope for it safe. As we said, we just want to reach before night, so we can see where we are going. I'm afraid I'm more hungry to kill me. Hungry to kill me. So, yeah. We're in NEGRIL. The sign says we're in NEGRIL. Welcome to NEGRIL. We are in NEGRIL and we're currently 6 minutes from our location. So I'll let you guys know when we get down to Long Bay Beach. Yep. So I'll let you guys know when we get to our location. But just updating you guys that we are in NEGRIL after a long 3-hour journey. Alright guys, so yeah. Guys, we are about to turn into our location. And we're staying at Travelers NEGRIL Jamaica. So, yes, we're kind of excited to see what this place offers. Okay? Okay. We're checking us now. Alright guys, so we're actually going to go and find the rooms. It is cute. They have, you know, setup is so cute. So cute. The setup is so cute. I forgot to show you the library. The library is so nice as well. Yeah, but right now we have an unfortunate situation that won't be rectified until tomorrow, sadly. So yeah, guys, if I know one probably next, I actually accidentally booked this property and selected the room without AC. Can you believe that? Ridiculous. They're sold out until tomorrow. So until tomorrow we want to burn up. Right now I'm so mad. Can me hot, me warm. But I'm not left me out of my fan there and come see the place without AC. And it never show online. I saw a bungalow, but it just never show the room. They have room without AC, and you have room that many people understand it, but it just never show. Crazy. Look how over there so nice. Uncle over here, so not happening. Crazy. Guys, we really not treat good at all. We can't find a proper restaurant to go eat. I'll be kind of shop on the restaurant at the hotel. They're the all inclusive. It's just not giving. We came to this lovely place over the new plaza. I think it's named Matthews. It's really nice inside. However, the menu currently is not giving for how we're feeling. So we saw this restaurant down there, but then I take care down there, like one side restaurant. And I got the new $2,000 note. I'm sure. Darky, the new $2,000 note. I'm sure how it look. Yeah. Alright guys, so I woke up and I'm actually going to the car because today we're gonna get a room change. But this is how some of the rooms they look. Like, this is nice, honestly. I don't know if you can tell, but it's really nice. I'm walking up to the lobby now. Yeah, and if I did not say, we're actually staying at Travelers Beach Resort. So over there they have different rooms. Ow! Something caught me. And they allow you to run a fan on the outdoor section. Yeah, the lobby is nice too. I'm actually going out of the car because we never pack up too much things that we don't need in this room because we want to change the room. Oh, come now and book place when I'm the AC. Must let me be on head. Never know. So we're going to do that today after. This is the outside entrance part. So you come under this thing, whatever them call it. You park here and then you walk to the lobby. And the lobby, you're the bike. So the lobby is such a beautiful place. It's just a beautiful area. Let's not show no more. Alright, so this is the lobby. They have like this nice, I don't know, the seatings. They're really nice. The bike I turned me off. They have this nice area. So really nice. Honestly, the lobby is really nice. Then I have over here. This nice seating all down. The black door, so you know the accent that it adds is really nice. And then nice fan. And then you have this section. This over here is like a bar. a bar. And then I guess this is the restroom over there. And there's one over there. So, nice. Nice. And if you're going back out to the car, you will go back out this section. And you see the traveler sign. And you're the one because it's right beside the road. Okay. And leaving the car to go back like on the property, this is the view. Yes, I love the entryway, like it's so nice. I think they could do like probably like a fountain in the middle of here and spruce up the the view, but it's really nice. The nature he's actually giving, I really love these rooms over here. The design is so, you know, on point. I love it. It's like the accent look to a modern vibe. Nice. The pool area also, it's giving like they're nice beach chairs. They have a pool bar. We haven't been there as yet. The entertainment section is closed. I don't know what's going on with that. The gym is open. I want to go to the gym. One thing I don't like, you know them house thing there, the little something at the balcony. No, that part is so old-fashioned. To make this hotel even more updated and modern, them could take out them there and put in like glass, like this glass barrier that separates the pool from the walkway over there. Yeah, so they could actually do that. But that's far. I'm gonna take you guys over to the pool, to the beach, to the restaurant, all of that. So yeah. Hi guys, so actually we're going to go to breakfast soon. I'm coming, babe. Yeah, like ready and everything. Now we can babe we don't get ready. Over there is a pool area. That's a pool area over there. We're gonna go over there soon after breakfast. Yeah, we have the view of the pool area. And then breakfast will be down that side, down on the walkway there. Alright guys, so we're walking to the breakfast area now and to pass in the pool closer. Probably because I know pool time it. Yeah, so the pool over there. I got breakfast here now, sis, babe. And the gym is actually in here. We'll go back at the gym after. We got different food right now. So we just had breakfast. We decided that we want to try to play some pool. Based on, you know, observation, we should be in here in the entertainment room, but it's temporary closed, I guess, because they're doing the renovation all over the property. So yeah, but Asha, are we supposed to change the room in the people? How much that worth? Wait, the white ball worth what? Nothing.
White ball.
Is gambling? You know, for a bit tip in there something there. And as I said, we're at Travelers. We went to start at the room change, but then still have to come back 1 hour. This is about my third time I go for the front desk. Then I finished, so they're starting it out. Them so we can get it before 3. Once the housekeeper finished and all of that, hopefully the housekeeper done. So we came to the gym to turn on the AC and get like a cool breeze because me just not all about burning up. Like my house is not that hot. I don't know if because the room is so small why it's so hot, but if you're coming here, do the complimentary breakfast. They say it's $150 if you want to do, no, it's $50 per day if you want to do breakfast, lunch and dinner. So we're here for 4 days. So you know that would be 3 nights, so that would be like $150 for the 3 night them, which take much in not too bad. It's not too bad. I'm gonna take one for the 3 in not too bad. Looking at it, that we should I really do. That's what we do yesterday. We go to the supermarket and because it's not an all-inclusive, we go to the supermarket and made a stupid decision of purchasing some snacks. And we're not gonna eat them. But know for sure we're not gonna eat them. The breakfast option is not bad, but yeah, that's what's up. So we're going to chill. Hopefully we get to the room and I'm going to do a little workout. Because if you've not been listening to the vlog them before, I've been telling them that if I put out the vlog there, I'm working out and all of that, you know. So I'm in a place where a gym is. I want to make you say, I know it's a staycation vlog. Really and truly, it's more of a reserve property. There's not much to do than go to the pool, go to the beach, and I'm going to see if they have water activities that we can do. But yeah, that's about it. Husband up on treadmill. I'm proud that I'm not troubling. I'm going to want to work out and he would work out with me at this time. Be a chicken trip me and go on the bush. So watch out. But if you can't see because you never can no shoes. You know, can a gym shot and big shot clean about making work out. Still a burn look or something. And this is the gym, guys. So this is inside the gym. I'm just right now, me relax right now under the AC. I'm not burn up. Guys, we're changing the room, thank God. Changing this room, man. Guys, we're going to the beach after being inside for so long. It's 2:06. So we're going to the beach and the pool. Let me show you my outfit. Or my babe show you. That's the fit swimwear cover up. If you guys know this cover up skirt from when I went to Grand Palladium. My second time wearing it. Yeah, I'm going outside. We're actually going to take the GoPro because we're going to try it out. So, yeah. Guys, we're going out and actually we put ice to freeze. So, we're actually going to carry ice. We should have actually put ice to freeze. But, we're filling the ice. This is the ice. Back up, pull them up back. But, you know, if we get more ice at the bar, then fine. Babe, should I put your girl in here? Huh? You know what? Okay. More table rum, but the rum can't one in me.
Rum too, and then if you are drinking two sitting there.
You want the clear rum just in case me feel it?
Can't lock.
Alright, I'm going to check the one buckle, guys. I'm going to check the one buckle. Yeah.
A week out the room.
Alright guys, so we are leaving the room for the igloo there. We're all set, smell painty because they're renovating. That's okay. The rain actually finished. Come on, babe. I'm coming in GoPro, you know. Oh god. Alright guys, so actually I got down to the beach. No. I'm gonna tell me after that. Over and over and over. Babe, come now.
Hold you for a
the rain stopped, so I'm thinking I open back the pool area. So, it's a battery die?
I want to buy the body.
So you should carry the battery then. So this is the alright pool area. This is closed for treatment, so let's see if we'll be open back. You got lightning bolt and I got purple rain. Alright guys, so we are out the beach area. This is the entire 7 Mile beach. You have up that side. Yeah. And this is a resort from this section. The view of the resort from this section. And they say you can walk the entire 7 Mile beach. So that's what's up. I'm currently having a purple rain. Baby's having a lightning bolt. Yeah, let's see if I get the towel.
I'm going to find out how.
Yeah, let's see if I get the towel. Huh? Ask the security for the towel. It's security to the towel. So we got the GoPro here and we're actually going to do some water clips, some underwater clips right now. The next clip that you should be seeing should be from the GoPro. Let's do this.
Hop in her, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. I can see the whole city from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what frat you was in, you can't out for me. Keep dreaming, pineapple juice, I give a sweet semen. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking. Tryna come the same day as Jack, rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got Plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive it. You could do it too, believe it. I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. Yes, I am. They say you a superstar, now damn, I guess I am. You might be the man, well that's unless I am. Okay, I'll confess I am. Go ahead, sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. Hop in her, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in.
We're going down for dinner, guys. Oh, easy way. We're going down for dinner. Your baby set out the probably full. Let's see. Hopefully not. Yeah. It's outside. Dark, that bad. For the table setup, they have this nice table with a candle on it and so forth. Got a serving of chicken foot soup, guys. It's salt. Oh my god. Babe got one too, but him gone somewhere.
Throw up the sex in her.